want to get a better life. Be the change that will make your chances succeed. Have faith and believe in it.
Being a trustful person gives you happiness and all the strength you need. Don't wait for someone to tell you that it is a bad thing to do. Be smart. Do the good things that will help you succeed to have a better future.
Youth should live a drug-free life so that they can remain pretty or handsome. Without using drugs, you can strive for the better future and a healthy lifestyle.
Living a drug-free life, you won't be able to get in trouble. No, you won't waste money by buying drugs, and no one will get angry with you.
They need to be alive, so stay away from drugs. You won't be getting any sickness, or you will be pretty and awesome. When there is no drug-free life, we are all be in trouble. You're living a drug-free life when they knowledge about something.